Thanks for dropping in. Hey, listen, 3.2, ZOS 3.2 is on the horizon. It's going to be here probably in September. We're talking about 2025. And when it shows up, it's going to be something you'll probably want to get interested in and want to adopt. One of the tools that's available in Image Focus, product from New Era Software, is called New Release Analysis. And what New Release Analysis allows you to do is to take your existing ZOS configurations, whether they're for 3.1 or 2.5 or 2.4 as the case may be, and play a what if game. That is, what if I tried to run this configuration in a 3.2 environment? And Image Focus will point out to you those things that need to be upgraded and changed in order for you to migrate successfully to the next release of ZOS. This is really a critical time. It's a time to get prepared. It's a time to get familiar. So my suggestion is to scroll down through this splash page until you get to the point where you can request a demonstration and also a trial evaluation of Image Focus. It has many, many other features, but for ZOS 3.2, new release analysis is what you really, really want to focus on. Thanks. I hope I get a chance to work with you soon. Bye-bye.